distinguished invited guests, the media, with great honor and a deep sense of responsibility, I stand before you today in this historic town of Akropong to inaugurate the magnificent.
Today marks a significant milestone, not only for the people of Akropong, but for the entire Akuapem Ridge. Until recently, this community relied on a single courthouse, which bore the weight of serving numerous towns from Akropong, Abril, Dew, Manfe, Late, Amanokrom, Tutu, Akiriasi, Abui, and beyond. The strain on this facility was immense and evident for all litigants, lawyers and judicial service officers alike. The path to this day began in November 2018, when my esteemed predecessor, the former Chief Justice, Sophia A.B. Akuapem, undertook an inspection of court facilities across the country, including the Eastern region. On November 29, 2018, she arrived in Akropong, her beloved hometown, to examine the circuit courts. The findings of that inspection were disheartening. The existing courthouse was unfit for purpose and failed to meet the essential standards required for the fair and dignified administration of justice. It was clear then that mere repairs would not suffice. What was needed was a purpose-built modern facility capable of supporting enhanced court services, including the establishment of a high court in this jurisdiction. I commend my predecessor, Justice Sophia A.B. Akuapem, for her unwavering dedication to highlighting the urgent need for improvements in court facilities throughout our nation. With decisive action, the former Chief Justice instructed the Municipal Chief Executive of Akuapem North to take immediate steps towards constructing a double courtroom courthouse. She also engaged the Minister for Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, along with the Administrator of the District Assembly's Common Fund, to rally support for this vital project. The proposed courthouse was subsequently included in the National Construction of Courthouses and Residential Accommodation projects funded through the District Assembly Common Fund. These collaborative efforts showcases what can be achieved when institutions unite for the greater good. However, the journey to this inauguration was not without its challenges. Acquiring suitable land proved to be a formidable obstacle, resulting in the site changing no fewer than 3 times. The land where this splendid edifice now stands became the focus of prolonged litigation between the Akuapem North District Assembly and 2 claimants, delaying the commencement of construction by over a year. At that crucial juncture, the Judicial Service, led by the former Judicial Secretary, Justice Sarah Pabada C.A. Quantin, Justice of Appeal, stepped in to mediate. Through dialogue, persuasion, and a shared commitment to the public good, the disputing parties reached an amicable resolution. In July 2022, a memorandum of understanding was signed, allowing construction to progress. On behalf of the Judicial Service, I extend special appreciation to to Justice Sarah Pamela C.A. Quantin, Honorable Belma Awia Sapon Labi, former municipality chief executive, Honorable Nana Amadokua Esiama Ajayi, former member of parliament, the Benjamin Ofori family of Akropong, and Nana Okai Oparilabi II, Nifa Kronte of Champion for their invaluable roles in resolving this impasse. Their dedication to constructive dialogue has bestowed upon this community a lasting legacy. Construction of this courthouse commenced in August 2022. Today, we gather to inaugurate a modern two-story court complex that stands as a testament to the perseverance, teamwork, and steadfast institutional resolve. This facility includes 2 fully equipped courtrooms, including the High Courts, 2 judges' chambers, offices for the registrars, offices for cashiers and bailiffs, a docket room, a dedicated alternative dispute resolution room, washrooms for staff and court users, a 40 kVA standby generator for uninterrupted proceedings, and a borehole to ensure steady water supply.
Ghana, we now have freedom. Ghana, land of freedom. Toils of the brave and the sweat of their labors. Toils of the brave which have brought results. Kwame, the star of Ghana. Nkrumah, star of Ghana. Everybody toils of the brave and the sweat of their labors. Toils of the brave which have brought results. Ghana, we now have freedom. Ghana, land of freedom. Everybody toils of the brave and the sweat of their labors. Toils of the brave which have brought results. Gold Coast will thank Nananom and elders, late Gisli Hayford, Mensan Saba, Pa Grant, Sagin Agete, and all who fought for freedom. Everybody! Toils of the brave and the sweat of their labors. Toils of the brave which have brought results.